Everybody, welcome to a great Evolve, great event, conference. I'm pleasure to be partnered with MinIO in this session and working with Mahesh. Him and I have been working together for many years. Mahesh, welcome to Evolve. What do you think so far?
It's been fantastic. Thanks for having us.
Yeah, and I love the fact that you guys are changing the game when it comes to all things data, all things AI. Let's talk a little bit about what MinIO is doing in that space and some of the changes that you guys are evolving as an organization. So that's kind of a cool thing.
Absolutely. I mean, this is a watershed moment for us as a company. You know, while we've been around for a while, you know, with our broad open source usage, over 2 billion downloads globally, over 70+% of the Fortune 500 leveraging our solutions. But AI is really that catalyst for us. When you think of any modern architecture today, they're built on object.
Yeah.
And if every modern architecture is built on object, building a new stack for AI should be built on object.
Sure.
And so we see massive Fortune 500 opportunities, exascale opportunities, all to get companies to adapt to AI or be AI ready, frankly.
Sure.
As you want to modernize your infrastructure, our software-defined approach actually makes it easy, simple, and cost-effective to scale.
So let's talk a little bit about object and why object is a key play in the AI space. Mainly because you can collect more data, right? And now you can scale that. And with your software-defined architecture, you now have that ability to kind of create that data fabric that allows organizations to then lean in their data to do those AI models, inferencing, tokens, all the right things, right?
Absolutely. I mean, why the public cloud is built on object? Because scale. Let's start there. Just the level of scale. When you think about AI, it's going to be a scale, it's going to be a data problem. And frankly, the amount of machine-generated created data from media, sensor, video data, that's going to proliferate. So your traditional file approach is a legacy approach, which is not where the data is going to be created. And unstructured data is probably 80% of data out there today.
Yeah.
So all of this structured data systems built on premise today won't scale to AI in their current format.
Yeah, and you know, some of the things that you guys are coming out with. Let's touch a little bit on AI Store. I love those recent announcements that you guys are bringing to the mix. Tell us a little bit about how that's working and how you guys are going to market with AI Store.
Sure. So, you know, MinIO has been around for a while and just wildly adopted on the open source side, our community edition. And
that's and I don't mean to interrupt, but that is a key fact, right? Yeah. You guys aren't a startup.
Yeah.
You guys have been around for a while. A lot of engineering, a lot of software development, developers, a lot of folks that are leaning in on data have been using you guys for a long time. So
we're wildly relevant to the developer community.
Yeah, this is awesome because now, again, to your point, watershed moment, now you come out with AI Store and some of the benefits of what that brings to the mix. Let's touch on that.
Yeah, no, I to that point, you know, the community edition being around so much, 2 billion downloads, you imagine what we learned as a company, as a software company ourselves.
Sure.
Having our S3 API tested for different applications, use cases, data types, we've seen everything.
Yeah.
And because of that, we've hardened our solution so well that we started recognizing now for this AI use case, it's not for general purpose, it's really about performance, scale, flexibility, and actually having new age AI features capability. So, you know, that's why I call us, AI Store gets you AI ready to be able to adapt AI going forward. And of course our best in class support as well, which you know, often is misunderstood often sometimes where companies don't realize how our approach is. We're an extension of your infra team.
Yeah.
Our support is direct to engineering.
Yes.
So the people who design the code are the people who are supporting, troubleshooting, helping you go through challenges. And so we have 24/7 direct to engineering support. That's the way we built it.
That's the way you built it. Yeah. That's and it's great. So and are you working in partnership with the Nvidias? We keep hearing Nvidia, we keep hearing AMD, we keep hearing kind of the OEMs that are kind of getting into that space. Are you partnering with those folks, or how are you guys? How are you establishing that partnership to be able to go tell a kind of full stack story?
Absolutely. So we're partnering with across the board. Whether it's the OEMs, the GPU side of the house, we're partnering with all the lead players, whether it's Nvidia, whether it's Dell or Supermicro. So we do partner with them. Our approach is frankly customer choice. So with the software-defined nature, our belief is that the customer environment, the hardware they want to deploy, it won't be limited by our software, it'll be by the hardware you choose.
Yeah.
And so being able to partner with all of them, optimizing on their platforms is something we do exceptionally well. And that's why these partners are actually blossoming. And so it's been a great motion with all of the key partners, including Nvidia.
And again, to go back to the point, you guys have been around for a while. This isn't brand new things, right? Across the board. It's really kind of how it all works together to be able to go help your customers our customers go find those right outcomes, leveraging AI and the data around it.
Absolutely.
The one thing you and I have been talking about a long time is this partner first mentality. Nice. Talk about the partnership with Trace3. What are you guys seeing from that point of view, and how are you seeing that kind of help you drive that watershed moment within your organization?
Well, we officially launched our partner program this year and shifted the entire company from a community edition to now the commercial platform for ourselves. And our view was we're going to be partner first. That's going to be our first. But we're a depth, not breadth organization. We want to do what's right for customers. Sure. We want partners who are builders. And because we're builders.
Yeah.
We're a significant ingredient for any major application. So working with people who know how to build solutions, and frankly, partners who are outcome driven. And that's frankly why we chose Trace3 as our only elite partner globally.
It's great news.
So we have incentives in place. We have relationships and mapping. Frankly, accounts that are like we can cross-pollinate between us. So it's been an exciting journey so far. We're still early in the innings, but it's been our connective tissue with you and the rest of your team. It's been fantastic. We see a huge opportunity for both of us going forward. Yeah, and it just talks about the sponsorship and the partnership at Evolve. Now you're getting to talk to all of our sellers, other partners, and get to network with those folks and go drive that. So Mahesh, as always, a pleasure to talk with you. Is there anything else you want to bring up from a MinIO perspective? Well, I think it's a great opportunity for enterprises to rethink how they've looked at data historically, whether it's cloud repatriation, whether it's AI, whether you're talking about data lakes. All of these use cases need to be rethought. And you'll be surprised at how simple, easy MinIO is to use and can scale and be probably it's the highest performant object storage solution on the market. So. Yeah, and it's, you talked about my team and the folks within Trace3. We've been big fans since the beginning. Appreciate that.
And we're excited about this next journey in this watershed moment and helping you guys drive that as much as we can with our customers. And again, going to drive those true AI outcomes, leaning on your technology. So appreciate it, Mahesh. Great talking with you, and we'll go out and have a good time.